Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a monkey in Adopt Me on Roblox. So as you can see right here, clicking on the Adopt Me game, you've got it on screen here. You're going to want to click play to get into the Adopt Me. Then you can either choose a role of baby or parent. I'm going to click parent. Then what's going to happen here is you can just click off all of these things right here, subscribe and etc. You don't need to do any of that. Close all these things out. What you're going to want to do is click the little fairground or circus little logo on the left hand corner there. You don't want to click on that when it'll say the monkey fairground has come to the adoption island. You want to click next on that, and it'll say teleport to the fairground. Click yes. You can cash out that there if you want to, and then you're going to teleport here. As you can see, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to run over to this area right here. Then it will say the monkey fairground has come to the adoption island. And basically what's going to happen is you could buy a premium box monkey there, you could buy a monkey box, and you could do these things. So this is where you buy and get the monkey here. So this is where you have to go. So once you've actually, you do need to have enough of the Robux to actually buy the monkey, but once you do, you'll be able to buy it right here. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on Roblox. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.